Hello, everyone. My name is Rui, and I'm going to talk about the research project. And my title is Climate Change Impacts on E. coli Concentrations in an Urban Stream. So the first question is, what is E. coli? Many people may not be aware of the term, but let me tell you that E. coli is a bacteria that existed in the human waste and animal feeds. And this picture shows what an E. coli cell looks like. And it has 4 or 5 different layers, but the most important thing I care about is inside its core cell. E. coli can produce or generate toxic materials. And this toxicity is the reason why so many E. coli outbreaks in the water that happens all over the world. And according to WHO, nearly 1.5 million people have died due to E. coli risks in the water. So there is an urgent need to figure out E. coli problems. Then the second question, where are the E. coli sources? Generally, people think that the common pathways of E. coli coming into the water is through sewer overflow and stormwater runoff triggered by heavy rainfall, heavy precipitation, and under climate change. So my goal is to figure out the relationships between climate change and E. coli concentrations, especially precipitation with E. coli. And with my question, I've collected thousands of E. coli measurements data. They are spreading across 6 different monitoring stations in an urban stream named Pleasant Run Waterways in Indianapolis, Indiana. And after the statistical analysis, the results, what I found is during the past 20 years, E. coli concentration has increased by a factor of 9 times. And based on the equation, the projection results showed E. coli is projected to increase by 50% by the end of century under low emission climate change scenarios. That's RCP 4.5. I would say actually this is not a good signal because that means the water condition related to E. coli, the water quality is getting worse. But we don't want this to happen. So my suggestion to this case is maybe we can make policies to regulate our wastewater better, and we should develop some strategies for climate change adaptation so we can prevent the water quality from getting worse.